What's up, beautiful people? I hope you are doing great. In this video, I will teach you how to create count up animation in Vix Studio using Velo code. So right here, I have three simple text. And if you go to the preview of the website, you will see the animation of the numbers, the count up animation right here. So I have used the Velo code for this. I'm going to give you the Velo code in the description. You can just copy it, paste it in your website, and get the same effect. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, I'm going to give you the code. All you have to do is just copy this code. It's already taken care of. So simply copy it and paste it in your page. Okay, so I have done it right here. The next thing you need to do is add the text. So what you need to do here is simply add the text like this. Make sure that you have your coding environment on, the developer mode is on. After that, select each text right here and give them the element ID. So you can give any element ID you want. You can name it anything. Right here, I have the text 1, text 8, and text 9. Now, all you have to do is change the element IDs right here. Okay. So just add the element IDs like this. And you can also add your own symbols. So instead of plus, let's say you want to add minus, you know, or whatever you want actually. So you can also add, for example, greater than or less than symbols. All right, and right here you have to add the numbers you want to showcase. So for example, I can add, let's say, 40, and right here I can say 2000 or 2 lakh, whatever. You can also add any number like this, right? So you can add anything you want, just make sure that ID are accurate. This duration right here decides the duration in which this animation will complete. So 1000 equals 1 second. Right here I have set it to 2000. So let's say you want to complete the animation in 5 seconds. So set it to 5000. Rest of it is just function. So I have taken care of everything right here, like the FPS, or I have also made sure that the animation doesn't repeat because it uses the on viewport enter, so it stops the animation once it is completed. Okay, so everything is taken care of. All you have to do is just place your IDs here, and this function right here starts the text from 0, so you can also remove or keep it however you want. I will suggest that you keep it here. Anyway, if you go to the preview now, so as you can see, the entire animation completes in a definite time, but we have the symbols and the numbers changed. All right, so it's easy as that. If you want to add more numbers, you can just copy this entire text from here and paste it again and add another number. Press Ctrl T here, like this, and give it the element ID. So we have text 10. Just write the ID right here. Also make sure to add the comma. Right, and right here you can add the number you want. So let's add, for example, 9000, and in the suffix you can add, let's say, again, greater than or less than symbol like this. Okay, so in 5 seconds the entire animation completes. You can add as many text as you want, use the cells or section whatever you need, and you can add the suffix however you want. You can also keep it empty. So it's totally up to you. You can just copy the code and use it in your website. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.